In this video, I'm going to show you how to search for and upload your own custom backdrops. The aim here is to find and use a backdrop that's suitable for a game. First step I'm going to do is to get rid of the cat sprite. I'm going to go to a new tab. On my Mac, I'm going to use Command T. I'm going to use two keywords in my search. The first word I'm going to use is wallpaper. I'm using the word wallpaper for two reasons. First of all, it gives me a high resolution image, and second, it's going to give me an image that is landscape, not portrait. The second word I'm going to use is abstract. I'm using the word abstract because it's going to give me a design rather than a photograph. The image that I'll get will have a texture or a pattern or a design that's going to be suitable to sit in the background and have important sprites and buttons on top of it. Finally, I'm going to choose a color theme. I'm going to choose green. You can choose any color you want, and I'm going to press return on the keyboard. I'm now going to click on images. In a Google image search, you're going to now get many images available online. Something that we need to understand is these images are not copyright free. I recommend you do one extra step. At the moment, with Google's image search engine, you can click on Tools and then Usage Rights. I like to use Labeled for Reuse with Modification. This does limit the images that you get to choose, but in all times you should try and do this first. I recommend that if you choose to use somebody else's work that is not labeled for reuse with modification, that in your Scratch project, on the Scratch project page, you reference the image. I'm going to choose this one. I've loaded the full-size image. Now I'm going to drag and drop the image onto the desktop. I'll go back to Scratch, and I'm going to upload backdrop from file. I've navigated to my desktop, select my image, and open it and load it into Scratch. I'm in the Backdrops tab at the moment, and something that you'll notice is that my image doesn't fill up the stage. The dimensions of my image that I've found don't match the dimensions of the stage. This one's easy to fix. I choose the Select tool, draw a box starting in the top left-hand corner just around the outside of my image, and now I can just drag and drop in any direction to fill up my stage. I use the Script tab to lock it in, and I've got a custom backdrop.